The journey from raw python skin to luxury bag.
Every skin undergoes a thorough first inspection to assess the cure and identify any imperfections early in the process.
Digital grading ensures consistent luxury standards.
The high-tech grading process involves meticulous measurement. Laser gauges scan the thickness, while the central screen matters.
The preservation of these natural patterns is crucial for high-end fashion. The robotic probe meticulously maps.
Our state-of-the-art facility uses precise environmental controls to protect the quality of these premium materials. Welcome to the pre-processing hall. Our automated systems gently unroll the python skins, utilizing advanced
harvesting clean, usable leather surface.
The laser-guided system ensures perfect tracking along the irregular border, minimizing waste. The digital classification system ensures maximum downstream efficiency, sorting materials by length, width, and pattern continuity.
To ensure uniform tanning, the python skin must be precisely stretched. Our automated frames.
By utilizing advanced machine vision, hidden flaws are precisely eliminated without wasting valuable material, preserving the main continuous area.
This thorough cleaning process is essential, preparing the skins for the subsequent chemical treatments.
Through controlled washing and the use of eco-friendly detergents, we ensure consistent softness across all our python skins. By automating the precise delivery of enzymes and surfactants, we are revolutionizing leather chemistry, making it safer and more sustainable.
This initial warm bath prepares the python skins. The precise movements of the robotic arms ensure
This station is designed to balance softness and durability. The rotating brushes and padded rollers gently flex the leather.
The scale preservation unit uses a delicate combination of micro brushes and directed air jets. This ensures
This is the heart of the transformation. Inside these colossal drums, raw python skins begin their tanning agents bind to the collagen, stabilizing and preserving the leather.
The extensive water treatment process allows us to recycle 90% of the water used in this.
By carefully controlling the pressure and humidity, we ensure the skins dry evenly, preventing the warping and cracking that can ruin lesser hides.
Achieving a consistent yet unique finish is the hallmark of luxury. Here, the robotic sprayers.
As the skins travel through the amber light, the curing process locks in the vibrant color and luxurial.
As you can see, the link between the 3D model and the physical hide is managed meticulously by the software.
This ensures delivering micrometer-accurate cuts. The automation here ensures surgical precision on even the most delicate python skins. This fine detail cutting station allows for unparalleled precision, ensuring every scale is respected and minimizing waste with the micro-suction system.
Structured workflows are essential for complex products. Here, every python piece is verified for kitting and assembly.
Here in the stitching cell, human expertise meets robotic precision, creating a seamless workflow unmatched in the industry.
These cross-sections reveal the meticulous layering: python leather, supportive foam, polymer stiffener, and plush. To achieve truly invisible seams, the python leather must be skived at a microscopic scale, a testament to precision craftsmanship.
In the world of high fashion, true luxury is found not just in the meticulous details.
The finishing island represents the critical bridge between factory production and the world of high fashion. Precision is everything. In this final stage, the human eye is the ultimate guardian of quality, ensuring perfect symmetry and a flawless finish on every piece.
Our advanced computer vision systems guarantee uncompromising quality control.
Before these bags reach our customers, they must undergo rigorous stress testing to ensure maximum durability.
Here, the final approval merges rigorous engineering data with the seasoned eye of aesthetic judgment.
The packaging process is meticulous. It not only protects the product, but also communicates the luxury and value of the craftsmanship inside.
From python skin to luxury bag, in a seamless industrial choreography.
Through intelligent logistics, we ensure every python bag leaves the facility in perfect condition, guided by precision lasers.
Friedson, every journey is careful distribution hubs.
From this intermodal hub at dawn, precision logistics orchestrate the journey, connecting the factory floor directly.
If you enjoyed this factory process, like the video and subscribe for more real industrial transformations. Thanks for staying with us through this full factory process. If you enjoy seeing how real industries transform raw materials into high-value products, feel free to like this video.